Ano, bawal yan to reveal a bank account, even piso lang yan, or 1 billion. Ano mo ba yan? You make it public here. Hindi mo ba alam that I could charge you for that alone? That single statement, I can send you to prison. I guarantee you. Hindi mo ba alam yan?
Hindi po tayo nasi-threaten doon.
Later on, ano rin yan, exempted sa impeachment cases, kaya pwede po lumabas yan, ipepresenta po yan. That's the smoking gun ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte crime family. Salamat po, Chair.
Thank you very much,
Sir, I have to
Senator
respond
Trillanes.
to it. This
Former
guy
President,
is
with all due
story.
respect, with all due respect, I'll have to follow the rules. Yeah. I will give you time later, Mr. President. I will give you time later. Just so that we can put to rest this issue of waivers, because it's been going back and forth. Will the former president be okay that if we draft the waiver now, that it be signed today instead of tomorrow? Will you be fine with that, Mr. President?
Anong kapalit, sir?
Hindi.
Sampalin ko siya sa publiko.
Hindi. Wala naman.
Ngayon na.
Wala pong ganunan.
Chairman.
Give me a sampalin ko sa
Mr. Chairman.
Um,
Session suspended.
Session suspended.